So, Anthony here. Today is Thursday, September 23rd. Today I'm gonna be building my shop. Already have worked on it for a while now, but I already have. So it was all flat here. Got the box scraper, box scraped it all, made it all level, and then packed it all down. Put up the compact boards. I did this last night, and then yesterday, Mom, we went to. Yesterday was Wednesday. Went to Acer's Landscape Material. Got like half a yard of road base, so I'm gonna be unloading it. I'm gonna do a time lapse of me building it, but I wanted to do a time lapse for the whole entire project, but I guess I just didn't feel like, so I was like, okay, whatever, I'm just gonna do when we do the road base. So we already got the road base, everything here. I'm gonna start unloading it, load it up here, make sure it's all flat and good and level. So let's get to work. So today is Monday, September 27th. Yesterday was a Sunday. Got another half a yard of road base. Except this one seems like more. But we're gonna level it all out. I already had a road base over here, so we're gonna have to. I'm gonna make a video of dumping all that road base into here, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. go. So today, Anthony here. Today is Monday, October 4th, and we're gonna be working on my shop again. I have Deniska там сейчас is gonna help me. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna have to level it out. We're gonna have to do 4 inches on the edges and 3.5 to 3 inches here in the middle to make a little level. To make this edge thicker, got the laser level. We're gonna flatten everything out, and we're gonna make everything perfect level. Gotta set it up. And yeah, we're gonna do a time-lapse video. Me and Deniska are gonna work on this until we get it all level, and then hopefully maybe tomorrow, which is Tuesday, or Wednesday, we can get rebars, and then I'll sell rebars, and then on Thursday, we're gonna do concrete. So I want to get this done, like, you know. But yeah, let's get to work. Anthony here again. Today is Wednesday, October 6th, and today is the day that I'm gonna be putting in rebars, and hopefully we can do concrete tomorrow. So we stopped by Home Depot yesterday, which was Wednesday. We got some rebars, but these are 10-footers. I already welded on the legs right there on 5. I'm gonna put it, but what we're gonna be working on is we bought a 2x6. We're gonna take this compound board off, kind of dig it up over here, put the 2x6, which is right there, and then use this compact board. We're gonna split it in half. Gonna put the rebars in, and then I got an extra 10-footer to make like a little U for a walkway. Got all my tools today. Don't have a tripod, so I'm gonna be recording from there, as you can see. But yeah, we're gonna make 2 trips. I think we're gonna call Grandpa tomorrow, and hopefully we can do concrete tomorrow. So I'm gonna do a time lapse of me working on this, and yeah, I'm gonna be listening to music today, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. Anthony here today. It's Thursday, October 7th. Today is the day that I wanted to do concrete, but Acer Landscape one towable broken. So it turned out that we were not gonna split it in half. We're just gonna do both it. On Tuesday, I'm gonna use this compact board, take those guys out, use this one, cut it up, make it nice. I already did rebars already. I'm gonna do a time lapse. Me doing this. I'm gonna be listening to music. That's why you hear that generator running. Yeah. So right now I'm running the generator. Gonna be listening to music. Have an extension cord over here. Power this up right here. I'm just only gonna be working on this walkway just today. Yeah, and then I'll be ready. I think that'll be it. Just gotta do this. I'm gonna do time lapse, fill it in. I don't know what I'm gonna do. It's supposed to be raining right now tonight, so I'm gonna try to do this before rain starts, and I have to cover some stuff up. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna try to finish all this, and then just wait until Tuesday. But yeah, we'll see how it goes.